This is London with MarketHedge. Let's pay attention to the Bitcoin charts. A little bit of information we need to discuss. Topside resistance on the macro daily chart, MarketHedge.pro. Take a look at the new micro pattern in play, which is going to be this flat bottom support descending line of resistance. It's a descending triangle. Now, they're typically bearish. You guys agree? All right, we understand how these trade is another matter, okay? In terms of just trading to the downside, I want to encourage you to think like you're hedging, okay? When you're looking at a pattern that is typically bearish, what are the bulls doing right now? The bulls have stacked orders in below. I will tell you, bulls have stacked orders in below. Why? Well, for the instance that we get a specific move breakdown through, yes, it's a great primary directional trade. However, it's also a wonderful opportunity to catch a rebound and get paid on the rebound. I trade descending triangles anytime I get a chance. They're one of my favorite recoup or pullback trades. And why would you stack orders? We'll get back to some macro issues in a second, but why would I stack orders? Well, I would stack orders because of the following. When I stack orders, I'm covered for the potential or the chance probability that we hit at any specified, right, but undetermined, beforehand, undetermined level. Meaning, if we were to go to a simple 23.6 in terms of a target, I'm covered. If I stacked orders, if we go to, let's say, a 38.2, I'm covered. If we go to the 50%, I'm covered. And guys, you got it all the way down to the primary target. I'm covered for the rebound trade, which is why orders stacked make great sense. And I'll just tell you, work on your risk exposure. Do not get involved in this type of trading unless you are ready to weather a few storms, guys, and practice will make perfect at some point, I will tell you. Now, in terms of the trades here, you guys know we've got 3 separate trades. This is about 138K, so about 140K. The other 2 are about 20. So we're looking at 40, 60, 80, about 180, just under 200. The issue that I'm looking at right now that I don't like, let me tell you exactly what I don't like. A MACD on the daily is looking bad. I'm going to need this to rocket back up and turn green. Look, I told you yesterday I'm all in. That's it. In terms of the trades, I want this bull flag to work out. I want to see a target hit of 130, 135. If I don't see it, yes, it's going to be $250,000 gone on the trades, but it's also going to tell me that Bitcoin is really something to be reckoned with. And I'm gonna make Bitcoin impress me and impress you along the way. And if not, we're going to just say what? Next trade. So if we can get out and over, remember this top line resistance, that's the key focal right now. We're going to play along this specific top line and argue whether or not it's a flat bottom or just that slight ascension. And I'll just encourage you, if you want to take a little bit of a closer look to something a little bit more refined as well, if you are trading and you're looking at any type of a rounding formation, Bitcoin loves to do this to traders, but we do have a bit of a rounded bottom here. So that would be the bullish ploy here, is that, well, maybe we have a rounded bottom. The hit down to that preceding level of resistance was really, guys, a textbook. You guys know blueprint, textbook, etc. So in terms of what we're looking at, I want this MACD. I need it to turn around on the daily. It's a big deal for me. I'm ready to exit on this. I look at it like I've got a 1 in 3 shot of this really yanking the chain on the MACD traders. That's just it, guys. So I've got a 1 in 3 shot of this really surprising to the upside. Would love to see some additional great news coming out of DC or otherwise. Hope you guys are doing well, that you're trading well, and that you're taking care of those accounts. Stay competitive with who? Stay competitive with you, with yourself, guys. That's the one person in the market you need to impress at the end of the day is yourself. So stay true to yourself, stay competitive with yourself, and we'll be back with some more technicals. Wanted to bring you guys this descending triangulation. Shout out to the VIP. Luke, my man, what's going on? And all the VIP. I hope you guys are doing well. We'll talk to you soon. This is London with MarketHedge.